Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best pole saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Greenworks 40-volt cordless pole saw. While not as powerful as a professional tool, we love this sturdy pole saw from Greenworks. It comes with a 40-volt, 2-amp-hour battery, which, when fully charged, provides up to 65 cuts before needing a recharge. Plus, the battery is compatible with Greenworks' many other 40 volts tools, which include hedge trimmers, string trimmers, leaf blowers, and chainsaws. This pole saw has an 8-inch bar and chain, allowing you to cut through branches up to 6 inches in diameter. The slightly angled head makes reaching into overhead tree branches even easier and isolates just the limb you want to remove. The tool has an automatic oiler to keep the chain rotating smoothly, although the oiler requires fairly frequent refills. It's also easy to adjust the chain tension, but be aware that the chain can slightly loosen during use. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Wen corded pole saw. If you have a small yard with only a couple of trees that need pruning and you don't want to spend much on a pole saw, then we recommend this corded option from Wen. Note that you will have to supply your own extension cord, which must be rated for outdoor use. You can use up to a 150-foot, 14-gauge extension cord. The pole saw itself has an 8-inch bar and chain at a slight angle, for easier targeting of the branch you want to cut. The 6-amp motor spins the chain at up to 36 feet per second, easily chewing through branches up to 6 inches in diameter. The handle of this pole saw telescopes from a low of 5.3 feet to a maximum of 7.3 feet, giving you roughly 10 feet of reach when the saw is fully extended. At number 3, we have the Worx 8-foot corded pole saw. This nifty corded tool is both a pole saw and a chainsaw in one. Use the chainsaw portion to fell small trees, remove low branches, or cut up small logs on the ground, or attach the 8-foot extension pole to use it as a pole saw for removing branches up to 8 inches in diameter up high in your trees while keeping your feet firmly on the ground. Either way, this electric tool has an 8-amp motor that does require you to provide an extension cord up to 150 feet and is 14-gauge rated. The cutting bar and chain are 10 inches long, which is a great size for most tasks around the garden. And the handle rotates 180 degrees, so you can adjust the cutting bar just how you need it without having to re-angle your body. At number 2, we have the DEWALT 20-volt max cordless pole saw kit. There are a lot of cordless pole saws out there, but we really like this sturdy model from DEWALT. Its brushless motor requires little maintenance and is powered by the included 20-volt, 4-amp-hour battery that the manufacturer claims can make up to 96 cuts on a single charge. That should be enough to finish your tree pruning session before recharging. The pole extends to a maximum of 10 feet, giving you 12 or more feet of reach. And the slightly angled head makes it easy to position the 8-inch cutting bar correctly to quickly remove branches up to 8 inches in diameter. The tool on its own weighs just 8.4 pounds, but remember that the included battery adds an additional 1.4 pounds, bringing the total weight up to 9.8 pounds. And finally, at number 1, we have the Sunjo Electric Multi-Angle Pole Saw. That gives you a lot more flexibility when tackling hard-to-reach branches. Plus, the 8-amp motor has enough power to muscle through branches up to 9.5 inches in diameter with the included 10-inch bar and chain. The telescoping pole has a range of 5.8 feet up to 8.8 feet, giving you a maximum reach height of around 10 to 11 feet. And at 7.9 pounds, this is a lightweight pole saw, which can really make a difference when holding it over your head for long. You will need to provide an extension cord to power the saw. Sunjo recommends an extension cord no longer than 100 feet and with a minimum of 14 gauge. That means you must be within 100 feet of an electrical outlet while using the pole saw, so it's best suited for fairly small yards. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.